This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own taxes using H&R Block. First, select the H&R Block software or online product that best suits your tax needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Next, ensure you have all your essential tax documents ready, such as your W-2 forms, Form 1099s, and any other income or deduction statements. The platform will guide you through each section, making the process straightforward. Before you even open the H&R Block software, make sure you have all your financial paperwork organized. This includes your W-2 forms from every employer, which detail your wages and the taxes already withheld. Don't forget any Form 1099s for income from investments, contract work, or other sources. Also, have receipts ready for potential deductions, such as medical expenses or charitable donations, to maximize your refund. Once your documents are ready, launch the H&R Block software. You'll start by entering your personal information, ensuring all details are accurate. Then, systematically input your income data from your W-2s and Form 1099s into the designated fields. The program will prompt you for various deductions and credits you might qualify for, helping you reduce your overall tax liability and potentially increase your refund. After entering all your information, take your time to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Double-check for any errors or missed deductions to ensure accuracy. Once confident, you can securely e-file your return directly through the H&R Block platform. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Filing your taxes accurately gives you peace of mind and helps you get the refund you deserve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.